is seriously like the 3rd or 4th week that I've looked completely homeless in my videos. Homeless. I don't give a fuck. It's Tuesday. So, yeah, it's Tuesday. Well, technically it's Wednesday. I forgot yesterday was Tuesday. Okay, like, I had no sleep at all. After Cake Patrol went to cheer up Megan, Ben and I had 2 energy drinks in our system. Well, he challenged me to the 2nd energy drink. And, a lot of cake. And we didn't sleep. He was at my house till like 7:30 in the morning. It was ridiculous. We went on an epic adventure, though. Like, we walked around the park near my house, which doesn't have much, if any, lighting in some parts. And, there was a skunk, and we got scared shitless by the reservoir pump turning on. Like, we walked by this shack thing. We're like, oh, what's this shack? And we went by, like, just a water pump. And then we saw, like, the dumpster doors were open. We're like, oh, perfect hangout for homeless guy. And then right as Bennett walked by the water pump area, like, the power supply had turned on. It was like, and we were like, ah! Oh, it sucked. You know, like that fear where you like want to punch and vomit at the same time. It was that fear. But anyways, yeah. I don't know. And then the next day, Beth came over and I barely slept again, and no real excuses. Okay, let's get to questions. Sort of questions. I'm sorry, I'm still thinking about the epic adventure, and like there were satanic ducks, like they made the scariest noises. And like Bennett really wanted a burger, and McDonald's denied it to him twice. And so I ended up making him a burger at my house because we're super best friends. I mean, if friends really want a burger, I'm gonna make it for them, okay? But again, anyways, questions. I didn't bring my coat today. I brought this ugly ass sweatshirt instead, Megan. And Layla, I don't know who I'd call. Like, I guess I would call my dad to, like, this is so awkward, but I guess this is like a good way for us to get to know each other. But I guess I would call my dad and just be like, reevaluate. Like, I like my dad a lot, and like it's complicated. Like, there's just certain things that he could take care of and he doesn't, and it's like dumb shit. Just want to like, stop it, do it, be done with it. Everyone will like, do you see how homeless I look right now? Whatever. My ringtones, I also have Pikachu, because only cool kids have Pikachus. Lilies. This is general. Like, if I don't know you, this is what plays. Oh my god, this is on it. This is my grandma's ringtone. Megan hates me right now. So for Nicole's. This is Terry's. This is Daniel's. Bigger one. Megan. So good. Whose is this? This might be Bennett's. Yeah. Definitely. Time machine. This is my ringtone forever. And it's also because of Mighty Boost, but Beth.
Of course. I'm of course.
That's my stepmom. We're doing a lot. I need to start using that one more. Oh. This is the Grindhouse theme. That's awesome. Why? I forgot I still had it. This is my brother's. It's always awkward when that one goes off. This is my mom's. It's all I pop last kiss cover of First One Jesus. This is Audrey's. Perfect Sonic. Oh, Connor, you're so sad. And then, that's the phones. It's lame. I can't believe I just went through all my ringtones for you. I'm just so tired. Question is, what percentage of yourself do your friends actually know? I'm gonna say my friends know like 63. I'll give you 65% of who I am. Which is like kind of scary because it's like, oh, that means I only know like that or less of my friends. And I think I know them so well, but my friends probably think they know me so well and they don't. Anyways, yeah, so that's what's going on. Bye. I forgot to answer my own question, which was, if your life was a movie, what would it be? Or like, what title would it be? And, like, I really want to just pretend that I could say it's Wonder Boys and be like, I want to hang out with brilliant writers and be a brilliant writer and make up stories about my family, even though my family really loves me, and then end up in bed with Robert Downey Jr. So basically, I want to be Tobey Maguire and Wonder Boys, but my life's probably more like, I don't know. We probably like meet the parents or, yeah, meet the Fockers. The full crazy ass family. Even though I'm not introducing anyone to them, like, just lots of crazy ass family. That's probably where that ends. Bye!